Okay, card number 4. I'm going to use some of these little flags, and I used a die cut or thin cut that was a pie shape to cut out some of these so they have an indentation, but I didn't have the patience to do all of them, so I just used this as a template and then cut the rest of the pieces with my scissors. I inked everything with the Candy Apple Red, and the base card has the toffee inked around the edges with the red, and the white daisy with the Candy Apple Red around the edges again. And this one, I'm going to put the ribbon along the bottom. Red line tape, here it is. And probably going to go about a ½ an inch up. Around here. And the ribbon will be like the shelf for my sentiment. And I'm using this sentiment strip. And take this off. See if I can get it without my tweezers. Probably not. Let's see. I tell you, tweezers are the best thing forever for hands that don't work great. All right, a little bit of glue so my edges don't fray. I'm going to just dip the edge in that glue to make sure it's coated. And oh darn, the ribbon's a little bit too long. Okay, we're going to snip that off. Thought I had it measured right? Perfect. Okay, this is going to go on here like this. I think I'll pop it up on some foam adhesive. But we're going to do some little banner pieces. And this just showcases the different papers. Okay, pop these up on some foam adhesive. And I cut my little strips so that I'd have them ready. And I'm going to use these little flowers in the corners. You could use sequins or the enamel dots, you know, or anything like that for it. So I thought I had some. There we are. I think these ones are shorter, so I don't have to cut them all out. I'm going to do the 2 end banner pieces instead of measuring it, which I should, but I never tend to do that. This way, oops, I need room for my flower in the corner here. So now I'll do one in the middle between these 2, and hopefully it looks like a banner. This is a really cute little design I like. I have found that sometimes simpler cards are the most eye-appealing, I guess you would call it. That's too much of an angle. And I think the foam adhesive comes up pretty well if you get it right away. Looks a little better. All right, so, and these little pieces are just a little bit too long, so I snip a piece off, and I can use those little pieces for my flowers, I think. I might just use glue in the corner, but I think I might have to pop them up. Oops, that one cannot go there. This one can. And I think that this one will go more crooked. I think I might have to pull this up. Ooh, look at that. Just going to wiggle it over there. There. Okay. So for this, I just cut the ends off and I'm going to pop it up on foam tape and then tuck those underneath. So there is card number 4.